2026 just changed the handgun game forever. From next-gen optics-ready slides to built-in compensators and ultra-high capacity micro compacts, this year's newest pistols are faster, flatter, and more tactical than ever before. But one release stands so far ahead of the competition, it almost feels unreal. Stick around, because number 1 will absolutely shock you. Number 10, Canik METE SFT Pro. The Canik METE SFT Pro is a high-performance, striker-fired 9mm pistol that seamlessly bridges the gap between a tactical duty sidearm and a competition-ready race gun. It features a precision-engineered 5.00-inch, 127mm, chrome-plated, fluted, and match-grade barrel that comes factory-threaded at 1/2 by 28 TPI, allowing for the immediate and secure attachment of suppressors or compensators without the need for aftermarket modifications. The Pro series is primarily distinguished by its world-class 90-degree break flat-face polymer trigger, which utilizes nickel-coated internal components to provide a remarkably crisp, light break and an incredibly short, tactile reset for rapid follow-up shots. The slide is aggressively serrated for superior manipulation in all weather conditions and features an optics-ready cut that allows for the direct mounting of micro red dots. Built on the advanced METE frame, the pistol includes an ergonomically redesigned beaver tail, a double undercut trigger guard for a higher grip, and an integrally flared mag well for lightning-fast reloads. Weighing approximately 1.74 pounds, the firearm typically ships with one 18-round and one 20-round magazine. Regarding the cost, the original MSRP for the Canik METE SFT Pro is $574.99. Number 9, Taurus GX4 XL Elite. The Taurus GX4 XL Elite represents a significant evolution in the micro-compact segment, merging the concealability of the standard GX4 with the performance benefits of a longer slide and barrel assembly. This striker-fired 9mm pistol features a precision-engineered 3.71-inch stainless steel barrel treated with a premium diamond-like carbon DLC coating for exceptional durability and friction reduction, while the slide is constructed from gas nitride carbon steel for maximum corrosion resistance. With an overall length of 6.43 inches, a height of 4.40 inches, and a remarkably slim profile of just 1.08 inches, the GX4 XL provides a superior sight radius that enhances long-range accuracy without compromising deep concealment capabilities. The firearm is built on a modular stainless steel chassis housed within a high-grade polymer frame that includes interchangeable backstraps, allowing the user to customize the palm swell for a perfect ergonomic fit. The single-action only SAO flat-face trigger is designed with a crisp, clean break and a tactile short reset, measured at approximately 6 pounds, which is ideal for rapid follow-up shots in defensive scenarios. Regarding the cost, the original MSRP for the Taurus GX4 XLTORO model is $459. Number 8, Mossberg MC2sc Competition. The Mossberg MC2sc is a highly competitive micro-compact 9mm striker-fired pistol engineered to provide maximum firepower in an exceptionally slim and concealable package, balancing a high capacity of 11+1 flush or 14+1 extended rounds with a remarkably compact footprint. Features a precision-machined 3.4-inch 416 stainless steel barrel treated with a premium black DLC diamond-like carbon coating for superior wear resistance. One of its standout competition-ready features is the factory optics ready slide with a shield RMSC footprint, allowing for the direct mounting of micro red dot sights for a true co-witness with the white 3-dot iron sights. The flat profile trigger offers a crisp 5.5-pound break and a short, tactile reset for improved accuracy. Originally introduced with a manufacturer's suggested retail price MSRP of $556, number 7, Beretta APX A2 Combat. The Beretta APX A1 Tactical, often identified with combat features, is a duty-sized, striker-fired 9mm pistol that represents the pinnacle of Beretta's modular APX series, specifically engineered to meet the rigorous demands of tactical operators and home defense enthusiasts. It features a 4.8-inch cold hammer forged barrel that is factory threaded at 1/2 by 28 TPI. The pistol is distinguished by its optics-ready slide, which is pre-cut to accept a variety of micro red dot sights using interchangeable mounting plates. Ergonomically, the APX A1 Tactical utilizes a modular, glass-filled polymer frame with a redesigned high undercut trigger guard and an enhanced beaver tail, which collectively help lower the bore axis for significantly improved recoil management during rapid fire. This tactical variant typically ships with 3 21-round extended magazines, providing substantial firepower. Regarding its cost, the original MSRP, manufacturer's suggested retail price for the Beretta APX A1 Tactical is $549 to $599. Number 6. Ruger American Pistol Pro. The Ruger American Pistol Pro is a full-sized, striker-fired 9mm duty handgun engineered to meet rigorous military and law enforcement standards, offering a robust and reliable platform for both professional use and home defense. It features a 4.20-inch cold hammer forged stainless steel barrel with a 1 to 10-inch right-hand twist, housed within a high-strength black nitride finished alloy steel slide for exceptional durability and corrosion resistance. The pistol is built around a unique one-piece stainless steel chassis that serves as the serialized component. The firearm is equipped with Novak low-mount carry 3-dot sights and a MILSTD 1913 Picatinny rail for mounting tactical lights or lasers. It has an overall length of 7.50 inches, a height of 5.60 inches, and a weight of 30.5 ounces unloaded, typically shipping with 2 17-round nickel Teflon coated steel magazines. Regarding the cost, the original MSRP for the Ruger American Pistol Pro is $619. If you're excited about these insane new 2026 pistols, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to the Weapon Advisor channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next big release. Comment below which pistol shocked you the most, and wait till you see number 1, because it's on a whole different level. Number 5. SIG Sauer P365 XMacro Comp 2. The SIG Sauer P365-XMacro Comp, often referred to in its latest iterations as the Comp or Comp 2 variant when including updated optics or safety features, is a high-capacity, micro-compact 9mm striker-fired pistol that redefined concealed carry by packing 17+1 rounds into a frame only 1.1 inches wide. This specialized model features an integrally compensated slide that vents gases upward through ports in front of the front sight, effectively reducing muzzle flip by an estimated 25 to 30% to allow for significantly faster and more accurate follow-up shots without the added length of an external muzzle device. Its optics-ready slide is compatible with the Shield RMSC footprint and comes standard with X-ray 3-day/night sights, providing a clear sight picture in all lighting conditions and often allowing for a co-witness with a mounted micro red dot like the Romeo X Compact. Each pistol typically ships with 2 17-round steel magazines, or 10-round versions for restricted states. Regarding its cost, the original MSRP for the P365-XMA-CRO COMP is approximately $899. Number 4. Springfield Armory Echelon Gen 2. The Springfield Armory Echelon is a modular, striker-fired 9mm duty pistol that has evolved since its 2023 launch into a comprehensive series including full-size 4.5F, compact 4.0C, and crossover 4.0FC variants. At its core is the Central Operating Group, COG, a serialized, self-contained stainless steel power plant that houses the entire fire control system. Performance is further enhanced by a precision-machined flat-face trigger that delivers a clean break and a short positive reset alongside fully ambidextrous slide stops and magazine releases. Regarding its cost, the original MSRP for the standard Echelon starts at $679. Number 3. Walther PDP Pro SD. The Walther PDP Pro SD represents the high-performance pinnacle of the performance duty pistol line, specifically engineered for professional operators and competition shooters who demand a suppressor-ready, optics-optimized 9mm platform. This striker-fired handgun is defined by its 5.1-inch threaded barrel, 1/2 by 28 TPI, which utilizes a polygonal rifling profile for increased velocity and longevity, all housed within an aggressively serrated, optics-ready slide that features Walther's signature super-terrain serrations for positive manipulation in any environment. The Pro designation introduces the world-class dynamic performance trigger, which offers a significantly reduced take-up, a crisp 4.8-pound break, and a tactile short reset that is widely considered the gold standard for factory striker-fired triggers. Ergonomically, the pistol utilizes the standard PDP grip frame featuring performance duty texture, but enhances it with a factory-installed aluminum magwell designed for lightning-fast reloads during high-stress scenarios. Measuring 8.6 inches in overall length and weighing approximately 26.9 ounces unloaded, the PDP Pro SD typically ships with 3 18-round magazines equipped with aluminum base pads that interface perfectly with the magwell. The slide is milled to accept various micro red dot sights via interchangeable mounting plates, one free plate provided by Walther upon request, while the factory iron sights are Glock style compatible for easy aftermarket customization. Regarding the cost, the original MSRP for the Walther PDP Pro SD is $829, easy though it is frequently found at a street price ranging from $749 to $799 at major firearms retailers. Number 2. HK VP9SK Elite Match, the Heckler & Koch VP9SK, often designated an Elite or Match configurations when featuring the upgraded long slide kit or specialized competition triggers, is a subcompact striker-fired 9mm pistol that brings world-class precision to a concealable platform. It features a cold hammer-forged barrel, 3.39 inches in the standard SK, or 4.7 inches with the Match long slide conversion, with polygonal rifling for increased muzzle velocity and longevity. The Elite Match performance is driven by HK's acclaimed enhanced precision strike trigger, offering a crisp 5.4-pound break and a tactile short reset that rivals full-size competition handguns. Its highly modular grip frame includes interchangeable backstraps and lateral side panels, allowing for 27 different configurations to perfectly fit any hand size. The optics-ready slide is compatible with various micro red dots via mounting plates and features patented charging supports at the rear for effortless manipulation. With an overall length of 6.61 inches, standard, and a weight of 23.07 ounces, it offers a versatile capacity of 10, 12, or 15 rounds. The original MSRP for the VP9SK optics-ready model is $949, while specialized Elite bundles or match-converted variants can reach an MSRP of $1,049 to $1,199, though street prices typically range from $799 to $899. Number 1. Glock 19 Gen 6 Tactical. As of early 2026, the Glock 19 Generation 6 Tactical represents the latest evolution of the world's most popular 9mm compact pistol, building upon the marksman improvements of Gen 5 while introducing factory direct tactical enhancements. This striker-fired handgun features a 4.5-inch cold hammer forged threaded barrel, 1/2 by 28 TPI, as a standard tactical offering, allowing for the seamless attachment of suppressors and compensators without the need for aftermarket parts. The slide incorporates the MOS, Modular Optics System 2.0, which has been further recessed into the slide to allow micro red dots to sit lower for a natural co-witness with the included suppressor height tritium night sights. Ergonomically, the Gen 6 retains the flare-free magwell and removed finger grooves of its predecessor, but introduces a refined, adaptive grip texture that becomes more aggressive under firm pressure. The internal firing pin safety and trigger spring have been redesigned to provide a consistent 4.5 to 5.0 pound trigger pull with a shorter, more tactile reset than previous generations. Weighing approximately 24.5 ounces with an empty magazine, maintains the classic 15+1 capacity while being compatible with all previous 17 and 33 round double stack Glock magazines. The slide and barrel are finished in a proprietary NDLC, diamond light carbon, coating for maximum scratch and corrosion resistance in harsh environments. Regarding the cost, the original MSRP for the Glock 19 Gen 6 Tactical MOS is $749, though it is frequently found at a street price ranging from $649 to $699 at major retailers, depending on the specific sight and magazine bundle included. And that wraps up the most insane new pistols just released in 2026. From cutting-edge upgrades to next-level performance, this year is proving that innovation in the handgun world is moving faster than ever. If you enjoyed this countdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss the next explosive release. Drop a comment below and tell me, which pistol would you choose? Until next time, stay sharp, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next one.